Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna play Don't Press the Button. So someone's already pressed the button. So I guess we wait for the elevator. I'm staying away from the elevator, whoa! So basically you're supposed to not press the button, and if you do, bad things happen. I'm gonna check my recording in about 3 minutes. Hopefully like these little, oh, they're called zombies. I thought they were goblins. Don't kill me. This is boring. I'll be the first to press it. I need to press it. I think I was the one that pressed it. SCP. Okay. Should we go inside the elevator? There's only one person in the other one. What's it making that noise? No. Was this the wrong elevator? What do we do? What happens now? Do we go back out? Okay. Was this the wrong elevator? No, he's still alive. That's weird. Okay, let's go in here now. Okay. What happens now? It's the same thing that happened last time. Guess we just don't walk out? Oh, don't step on that. What the heck? Why? What was the point in that? What was even the point in that? Oh, did someone already press the button? There's the galaxy. No! Oh, I thought I was gonna die. We're like on the moon. We're on the moon. This is cool. I'll be the first one pressing. Oh my gosh, no! Why'd I have to die? What was that? I'm so tired, guys. I'm trying to be as funny as I can, but you know. Oh, we can't die by the... No. It better not hit me. No. I almost got it. No, don't jump off the map. Don't jump off the map. Easy peasy. Oh, do we climb the top? Oh, it's a tsunami. To climb this, then we have to walk across this, walk in here. I've done this one before. Then you're supposed to come up here, and boom, tsunami can't kill you, can it? Nope. Kills everybody else because I'm literally the only person up here. Ha! Other people already cooked it. Is that the coffin dance? That's hilarious. Okay. No! Oh my gosh. Like, we have to have a warning or something before these things happen. What's the next one? It's meteors again. Are you kidding me? We have the same exact thing. What? I'm gonna stay near this button. I wanna click it. I wanna click it. Yes, I got it. No, 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 no. No, you're supposed to be where those holes are, but no, this is stupid. This game is stupid. Is there anybody else down there? Ha! Well, if there was people down there. Is there anybody else down there? Nope. I'll press it. I'll press it. I'll press it. Yes! Oh, we can't die by the ice crystals. We cannot be stabbed by the ice crystals. No ice crystal stabbing today. Misha, Misha.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, I was... What the heck was that? No. No. Is this a maze? I'm gonna follow this guy. Can't jump up there. Do you follow the blue line? Okay. You should have at least given us time to beat it. Oh, it's this again. Oh my gosh. I'm not doing the same crap again. It's all boring and it does the same exact thing. What's the point in this? Literally, what's the point in this elevator? All you have to do is not... All you have to do is just not touch this. Oh wait, even when you touch it, you don't die. Wait, can I get crushed by the door? Nope. Let's see how long we can wait these people. Let's see how long until they leave the server.
Thousand years later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
No, it crashed! Oh my god, look at my head! Oh my gosh, I'm stuck in the... I didn't think it would crush me. I thought it would just keep doing that and they would leave the server. Guys, a little help here. I'm stuck in the elevator. I'm still stuck in the same position. That's great. That was amazing. What's this? Oh no, we have to come up here. No! I was so close! Okay, I'm gonna do like two or three more of them. What do we do? Oh, is this like another tsunami? No, move! Ha! Yes! Now I will not die. I will be the only one here that lives for another day. No, I was trying to kill myself. Oof, 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 oof. Oh no. Just stay in the middle. No! Oh, we survived. Okay.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Faster than a speeding bullet. It's Superman. No! No, I didn't die? Okay. I'll be the first one to press it.
No!
I'll press it. I'm gonna press it.
No, I will!
I'm gonna press it.
No, I will!
No, I'm gonna press it.
No, I'm gonna press it!
Ha 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 ha. No! Yes, I got it. No, not this again. We're out in the jungle. Out in the wild. Okay, let's try to find our way out this time. This time we're actually gonna find our way out. If this was real life, it would scare the living shit out of me. Like, I swear. Okay. No, why did this? I don't get the point. Okay. Let's do another one for you guys. In this moment, I'm just thinking about life decisions and life in general. So please ignore my 6 seconds, maybe 3 or 4 seconds of silence. And please subscribe to my channel and like this video. What the heck? Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a big like on it. And peace out to all you bacon hoes!